Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to uninstall a washing machine. Now maybe your washing machine is broken and you need to take it to the tip, or maybe you're just uninstalling it because you're moving to a new property. And I'll take you through all the steps that you need. Right, let's get cracking. First thing you need to do is switch it off at the mains and unplug the plug, getting it ready to pull out. Then pull it out, but don't go crazy because obviously you've got all the pipework at the back, and it might be easier if you take the dispenser drawer out. You might be able to get a better grip. So when you pull it out at the back, you've got the mains cold water feed, you've got the electrical plug, and you've also got the drainage hose. So what we'll do next is we'll disconnect the mains cold water. You do that by flicking this lever 90 degrees. Then unscrew it. As you're dealing with mains cold water pressure, it's a good idea to know where your mains stopcock is, just in case you've got any problems or if you get a leak somewhere, just so that you can turn the mains cold water off. If you've got a hot water feed, disconnect that as well. Drain that into a tray or a bucket. There shouldn't be too much residual water in there. And the next thing to remove is the drainage hose. Now there's generally two types of systems. This system here is where it's literally just pushed down inside a drainage U-bend. This is clipped onto an internal wall which goes into an outside drainage. This just hangs down inside. Just put that into a bucket. And the other type could be where it's fixed underneath your sink U-bend. Now to remove this, you may have a metal clip on it. If it's one of these types, take a pair of pliers and you're squeezing those levers, which makes the clip larger. Then you can just slide it off. Yours may not have a clip on it. If so, you can literally just pull that rubber drainage hose off, but make sure you've got a bucket ready just in case, because you will get some water out of here. Now this is ready to be pulled off. It's just kind of on a rib system, so just turn it clockwise and anti-clockwise as you pull it away. Just going to get my bucket ready. Whilst I'm doing that, there's a link above now about how to install a brand new washing machine. Washing machines are very heavy, so make sure you get someone to help you. It's much easier if you can load it onto a trolley. There should be some clips at the back of the washing machine so you can clip all the hoses and the electrical wire on and the mains cold water feed, or you can just disconnect those and take those to the tip separately. And it's ready to be taken away. I always recommend using a trolley, or make sure you've got someone to help you, because washing machines are extremely heavy. Definitely time for a lovely cup of tea. I hope you found that useful. Up on this side, there's a video on what to do if your dishwasher is not draining water properly. And over on this side, there's a video on how to keep your washing machine hygienically fresh. Thanks for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.